When you first receive your vending machine, you're gonna get a lock and 2 keys. Usually they're in the coin return or in the delivery bin. Simply remove the lock and keys, and to install it inside the T-handle, you simply take the key, insert it into the lock, and open it. So the tab on the top is down. The next thing you do is you simply take it and insert it into the T-handle and turn it until you hear it click. And then you simply take the key out, push it in, and it's locked. To open it, just insert the key, spin it, and the T-handle will pop out. To lock it, push in.